My name is Shelby Javernick. I'm the Senior Director for Student Recruitment and Outreach for the College of Communication, Media, Design, and Information. The College of Communication, Media, Design, and Information, or we call it CMDI, is the newest college at CU Boulder. Though we were created from a mix of new and existing academic departments, our history actually goes back a century. CMDI emphasizes collaborative, project-based courses where you build skills through hands-on work. Depending on which of our 10 majors you select, you could pursue creating films, developing campaigns, redesigning urban spaces, covering breaking news, or coding apps. Our faculty are incredible teachers, researchers, and mentors. They come with decades of real-world experience in sustainable design, technology, and advertising. And you'll learn about new trends while gaining access to a network of industry leaders. CMDI alumni have won Pulitzers, had documentaries screened before Congress, and penned some of the most notable advertising slogans in history. You will graduate ready for an impactful career in journalism, data science, design, architecture, or a combination you'll discover in classes and clubs. If you believe your education should encourage you to explore and inspire you to innovate, you'll fit right in at CMDI.